Good morning and welcome to, it's actually the afternoon. I always start my vlogs in the afternoon, even if I didn't wake up too late today. Maybe I did, don't know. It is Vlogmas day 16. Definitely feeling better. I think I was just in a little bit of a funk early in the month, so I don't know how great those vlogs were, but we're doing better now. I have been banished to the bedroom because Joe was wrapping presents before he heads out to work. But I have my Christmas lights on and about 100 Christmas presents in here. Let's see. I don't know, I've probably shown you guys this already, but this is what this looks like right now. So yeah, Joe's wrapping my present. I just got a new watch thing for my Apple Watch because the one that I had before, I guess started to get a little old, so the metal started to wear down and it was giving me a rash on my hand, so I had to get rid of that. I think we're gonna have a chill day today. I've been wanting to fix the color of my hair for quite a while now. I might do that today, we'll see. Definitely gonna have a cozy day. I almost opened the vlog today by saying hello lovely humans, which just means that I've been watching a lot of Jamie Wolfer, and I also need to finish catching up on her Vlogmas. I need to catch up on Zoella or Zoe Sugg. I feel weird. I watched her as Zoella for so long. It still feels a little odd calling her Zoe Sugg. Yeah, I need to watch some shit. So I'm going to be doing that today. I'm gonna have like a chill day, watch a lot of Vlogmas, turn on the Christmas lights, and just feel festive and cozy because we are having a snowstorm in New York today. And I'm not leaving my house for nothing. Even though for some reason I woke up this morning craving like a lemonade culotta from Dunkin' Donuts. Don't know why. Not gonna go get one because it's too cold outside. And I'd have to carry it home and my hands would be cold. It just doesn't make any sense because I don't want to move my car. I don't want to drive in the snow, so. But maybe I'll go outside later and I can take some shots of the snow. Let's see how big this is gonna get. It said we're gonna get 12 inches, so. Good luck driving to work today, baby. Okay, so I just popped out to the car for a second because yesterday I left a few things in the car. One of them being my friend's foundation. I don't want it to freeze. And the other being the stuff that I bought yesterday. So yeah, okay, all good. Still liquid. I mean, I had some Starbucks cups in there that I just threw out and they weren't frozen either, so I would think that we were all good, but it just made me nervous. And then I bought this sign that I either wanted to put in this window or in that one. I kind of like it there, actually. Can't really see it, but it says 'twas the night before Christmas. It bugs me a little bit that there's not an apostrophe, but that's okay. That's okay. And then I got these little games, which I thought were so cute. And it's like little Christmas games. And it's like Christmas Who Am I, Christmas Charades, and Christmas Hum That Tune. So I thought that that could be like, if it's not something we play this year, you could play it like when we have kids or something. You know, because I'm future planning.
It's tiny. I think it's going to be another button. How
It is. It's a button.
Okay.
Oh, I love this one. Okay, it's been a few hours later. I had a very long chat with my friend Shoshana. It was actually really nice catching up with her. And I've been watching Jamie Wolfer's Vlogmas all day and then checking in periodically on the snow, which it seems like it stopped. So that was good. Well, I don't know. I want to play in it, but I don't have anyone here to play with me. So maybe when Joe gets home, we can play a little. I don't know how tired he's gonna be, but maybe. We'll see. We'll see, we'll see. And I've been editing, and there's things I want to do. Like, I want to get the lights on the tree now that it seems okay. I want to dye my hair already. There's just so many things I want to do, but my energy level is at like a here, and I need to be at like at least a here. So I think I'm gonna finish up Jamie Wolfer, and then I'm gonna switch over to Tara Michelle. Okay, we're gonna power through here, and I am gonna make this tree lit. Whatever, we're gonna go with that.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you, baby. This year,
I mean, it's all right.
gonna be you and me, hang by the fire and chill.
I'm like missing a spot. Right there. Okay. Fixed it. Tree is lit. I've lit all of the lights around the apartment. I do want to tidy up. Wow, my hair is just gorgeous today. I know I look like crap today. I have quite a few days where I look like crap, and this is just another one of them. So today, what the fuck am I talking about? So I've lit all the lights that can be lit. There's a few that are battery operated, and I don't have the batteries. I have to tidy up in the bedroom a little bit because I want to get it nice and festive. It's like crazy late. Like, I feel like you guys have no idea like the weird life that I lead, but let's just put this into perspective. I am tidying and cleaning up and starting to get my shit together, and I want to clean up my bedroom and get the place looking nice and festive at 1:15 in the morning, because that is the life that I lead. Like, my fiance gets home from work in like an hour and a half, and then we chill and we eat and we hang out until like late, really late. So yes, I'm not exaggerating. Look, it is legit. Well, not 1:15, it's 1:13. Okay, I exaggerated 2 minutes. But welcome to my life. This is how I live apparently now. I used to wake up every morning at 4:30 in the morning, and now I go to bed at 5, 6, sometimes 7 o'clock. It's a strange world we're living in, and whatever. I found it. What the heck is that? What's a candle? Huh? Cheers. It's really good chocolate.
I agree.
I wonder if they have chocolate like throughout the year. I want to check out the snow. That's a lot of snow. Okay, so I think I'm gonna call it here. I don't know what the footage is like for today. I feel like I recorded a lot. One thing I didn't do is I turned on all of the lights everywhere and I didn't show you guys. So, here we go. So that is everything lit up. We still do have a few things that need to be sorted out. Like we need to get the decorations up so that I can get the decoration boxes back and stored away. We need to, hopefully, I still want to, even though I felt okay with putting the lights on the tree, I just don't, I feel like I'm gonna gradually do everything. So like ornaments can go on next. And then after the ornaments, wait a little bit, put the presents under the tree, because like I want to be 100% sure that there's nothing wrong with this tree before I put presents underneath it, and then potentially like have an issue with my presents, because I don't want to deal with that. But anyways, I'm calling it. I was starting to fall asleep on the couch while I was watching one of Zoella's Vlogmases. I said I was gonna watch Tara Michelle next, and I just did not, because this just popped up first in my recommended, so that's what I'm doing. So I actually kind of want to edit this. Joe's in the shower, so we're just gonna call it here. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for watching, and if you want to see more of me, hit the subscribe button.